Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G41, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this smartphone. First of all, go into Play Store and download your new default app. In my case, it will be Opera Mini Browser. I already have it, so I have to go into device settings, choose apps and notifications, then tap on Advanced, scroll down and choose default apps. Now I need to click on Browser App section and pick my new default app. I will go with Opera, so I have to tap on it and simply go back. And now, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!